Hello everyone. So today I just stumbled upon this very beautiful spot in Bern and I want to share it with you guys. So let's check it out. So over there, that's a restaurant or a cafe that's usually open later. Right now it's closed. Then we have like a small picnic area, then the beautiful river, followed by the forest just behind. And there's also road tracks in the forest, so it's also possible to take a hike or take a walk through the forest. By the way guys, in my channel I also post AI videos and technological videos for computer science students. I also post videos about the student life in Switzerland and even the nature videos like these. So if you guys enjoy any of these type of content, please make sure to check out my channel below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.